Hello, I am Simanchal Pandra, faculty from Pitambara College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to do ginger tincture. So we require ginger, and as it is a tincture we require ethyl alcohol to extract, and we have to use water. We are using the distilled water, those are being distilled from our lab. So now we will start the ginger tincture. We are having our basic ingredient, that is a ginger. We are making it paste. We can do it from the powder, but right now as we are getting the raw and fresh ginger, we can take, as it contains most amount of volatile oil and its essential content without any microbial infection or any reduce in its weight. It is also having its moisture content and volatile oil as its maximum quantity. So now our next step will be to collect the ginger by the help of ethyl alcohol. We will extract it and we will go for the next procedure.
ठीक है ना.
Start. So now we are going to wait ginger. We have make it paste. After making the tear, the weight of ginger is 7 gram. So we will take this ginger and we will keep it with it. It is ethyl alcohol, ethanol, 99.9% pure. So we will take ethanol in ginger paste. We have taken the ginger paste. We can see the ginger paste here. It is the ginger paste. It is the extract we have taken, and the ginger paste. Ginger paste is present inside. This is the ginger that is in the. Okay, we have taken its juice out, that is the extract out directly inside the container. Now again we will extract with the ethyl alcohol. So we will take ethyl alcohol 10 ml right now, then again we will go for its dilution. We have to make it. इसको मेजर करो. So So it is 10 ml of ethanol. We will keep this one and allow this ginger to soak. It will be soaked for half an hour. After it will get absorbed, we will try to extract it as the ethanolic extract of ginger for the preparation of ginger tincture. So now we are taking again 20 ml of ethyl alcohol. Mix it thoroughly so that it will be absorbed all alcohol in it. We have already kept it for long time. Now we will take a piece of cloth and we will try to take all those ethanolic content of gingiva officinale from the content. You can take the cloth so that no impure content will come, only the extract will come along with the solutions. You can place it here. Come this side. Now make it filter so that all content of alcoholic extract will come and it will be collected in the beaker. Now the same procedure will be repeated. It will be repeated number of times. Done, sir. So now again we will go for the measurement with the measuring cylinder. It is exactly 30 ml. If that may be less than 30 ml, we have to adjust the volume up to 30 ml. So the ginger tincture is prepared and it is very much useful in the pharmaceutical preparations as it is a good carminative. It is a good carminative in nature. It is having the expectorant. Along with it can be used as the flavoring agent. It is having a good character of antibacterial activity and antifungal activity. This can be used in the pharmaceuticals in this type. So this can be stored under the tight closed container as it contains alcohol. It may go for the evaporations and right now we can see 30 ml of ginger tincture is prepared. So it is a effort by Manish Kumar, B Farm first year, Nikhil and Tanaya Palib, Assistant Professor, Pitambara College of Pharmacy.
this is labeling. The ginger tincture has been prepared, and this is its labeling.